Alrighty, y'all. Now that we've got all of our ingredients, I'm just adding some cornstarch here. We've got strawberry jello, we've got some Sprite, we've got our frozen fruits. I'm gonna put just a tiny bit of water to finish the activation of that jello. And now I'm gonna get to mixing. We have got such delicious fruits here. We've got mango, we've got a berry medley, we have got our strawberries, our blueberries, just all the tropicals, banana, and then we're imitating something real delicious, y'all. This is something when I was a kid, you could get it at Shoney's, you could get it at Bob's Big Boys, you could get it a lot of places. It was so delicious, so beloved. And now we are just making a big batch today that we are going to enjoy right here on our Havabichi. And that looks like it's pretty well mixed for right now. I am going to let this come to a boil. I'm going to close the lid and then I'll show you what we're doing next. Alrighty, y'all, you can see our jello here is coming to a boil. That means it's going to be thickening up and becoming absolutely delicious. Now I've got something I want to add on top of this. Since this is a little bit of a reverse situation, I am doing some cake batter right onto the top here. Perfect. And you can use just whatever kind you like. I am just using some white cake and cupcake mix, pouring all of this on, just a little bit more around these edges. But I think y'all are getting the picture of what we are accomplishing here with this beautiful masterpiece. Now, if you know about dump cakes, you know we need to put a little bit of butter on top to cook that cake mix and create a delicious, delicious crust. And then you're gonna see that beautiful jello inside with all of our gorgeous, gorgeous fruits. Oh, you guys, this is gonna be absolutely fantastic. Just gonna spread a little of my butter back here. I got a little butter happy in the middle. Not to worry, everyone, this is gonna be absolutely, like I said, delicious. I'm gonna close the lid on my Havabichi. We're gonna let this cook. Alrighty, everybody. Our Shoney berry and fruit pie is baked. Now, this is sort of a pie dump cake, so more like a cobbler. But I'm coming in here, grabbing some of this delicious fruit. Of course, you could make this the same way and put your fruit just in with all this beautiful gel into a pie shell. Whoops. Turn off my heat here. I've got my fork and I am ready to give this a try. I think it's gonna be hot, but who doesn't love a hot cobbler pie? Very hot. Okay guys, it's extremely hot, but it's also extremely delicious. You definitely gotta give this a try.